Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nega app na ka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingpuli ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban layu ban puli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, riwe kandai pra.
Kajing yalang jongka kenhun menteri ke Sorkar Jylla haga arfau tarik unaitung arhajar arfulai kala shimya karai ban Pynkiew dor ya ka Umphniang diesel da sanpau Naïa. Haga jing keren bat kilat pathai kubor menteri rang ba ka Jylla Konrad kongkal sangma ulayatu baka dor jongka Umphniang diesel ha Guwahati ka syong dor khandai pau tengka laifulai Naïa kat baha khana para ka syong dor prapasau tengka shipau Naïa kabapen I baka don ka jing per ka bah nriu tengka arfulai Naïa tang hapdeng ka khana para bat ka Guwahati.
As you're aware that the price of diesel between Meghalaya and Assam as of now is quite high. Guwahati the rate is 90 rupees 33 paisa, whereas in Khanapara it is 84 rupees 10 paisa. That means a difference of 6 rupees 23 paisa in diesel is there right now between Khanapara and Guwahati. And hence, obviously looking at the overall revenue for the state, we have decided to increase it in a first stage by 50 paisa. And so as I said, we will keep two things in mind. Number one, that there should be a kind of a difference in the rate so that we have a rate advantage between Guwahati market and the Revoy and Khanapara market. And number two, that we will always keep in mind the national average so that the overall rates do not go above the national average. And we have been always maintaining that Meghalaya is as of now maintaining one of the lowest rates of petrol price and diesel price in the country as of now.